Understanding, can I help? A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, can I help? This simple question is a key part of everyday conversations. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding how and when to use this phrase will greatly improve your English communication skills. So, let's dive in. Can I help? Is a polite question used to offer assistance. It's formed by the modal verb, can, indicating ability or possibility, followed by the subject, I, and the verb, help. This phrase is often used in scenarios where you want to offer your assistance to someone else, showing politeness and willingness to assist. Subsection 2.1 Everyday situations. In everyday life, you might use, can I help? In various situations, such as in a store, when you see someone looking confused or searching for something. At home, offering to help with household chores or tasks. In the workplace, when a colleague appears overwhelmed or busy with work. Subsection 2.2 The tone and body language. When asking, can I help? Your tone should be friendly and polite. Accompanying the phrase with a smile or open body language can make your offer more genuine and well received. When someone asks you, can I help? There are various ways to respond, depending on whether you need help or not. Here are some common responses. Yes, please, when you need help. No, thank you, politely declining the offer. Maybe later, if you might need help later on. That's all for our lesson on, can I help? We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this essential English phrase effectively in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to offer help using this phrase. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.